Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Chromebook 13, and today I'll show you how to change wallpaper. And you do it by simply right-clicking or with 2 fingers clicking on the touchpad. Once you click on it, you will have the option to select wallpaper, and this will show you different categories of wallpapers that come preloaded. Now, if you're trying to do this right literally after the setup, you will need to wait a couple minutes because it will start downloading them, and this will take about like 10 minutes for it to download all the wallpapers. So keep that in mind, but assuming this is not newly set up device, you should see all of those just as I have. So from here you can tap on different categories. You have cityscapes, landscape, composition, leisure, desert time, colors, illustration, art, and slide colors. So, and then at the very bottom we have the My Images, which will just have things that you have downloaded, or just like your own pictures, anything that is your personal images that you have added to the device. But I'm gonna go to landscape right here. The process is the same. Once you tap, for instance, images, you will have the same look right here as I have one. And from here you can simply tap on the image and it will apply it. Now, as you can see, there is a brief moment where it actually downloads it. These are just thumbnails, so when you click on them, it needs to download them. As you can see, it's gonna try to do it right now. So there's the progress, and it's not going very well at this moment. But once you download it, you can quickly switch to it by just tapping it. There we go. As you can see, once it downloads it, it sets it up. Now you can also choose the daily refresh, which will change the wallpaper daily. So that is how you change the wallpaper. And once you choose it, simply close it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.